guys, how are you guys? I'm here this morning to do my exercise, as you guys know. So when I come in the morning, I have to spray first. I have to spray and take paper towel, wipe me. So this one is not working, so I'm using this one. So I'm gonna turn it on to start my workouts. So right now, I just put it on and put it on 4. So I'm gonna work on it. So this is how I start my morning now. So I just want to motivate myself to start all over, because I started this journey, I can remember this year, but it's not 100% yet. So I stopped exercising for 3 weeks, but I'm back again with my exercise. Although when I stopped exercising, I didn't gain that too much weight. I was glad, but the only problem I have, my tummy area, so that's what I'm working on. That's my major problem right now. My tummy area. When I get my tummy area, everything will be okay. So I put it on high speed so that I can do this faster. So I'm coming back to do my jump rope. I always do jump rope, guys. So I'm gonna do my jump rope. So every time I have to put it up 0. So sometimes it goes like this. And you know, jump rope, when you do a jump rope, it takes you everywhere. So I have to arrange my clothes. So I'm gonna drink my juice. So I have to come here and do some of the training. I have to put my glove on. So let me do my back fat. So I'm going to be all over. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome. So I'm here this morning to do my morning routine as I usually do, but I stayed away for 3 weeks. I was not exercising, so this morning I started yesterday back my journey. As you guys know, I started this journey in May, and up to now I stayed away for 3 weeks because I was not feeling well. My kids, I was not feeling well. Up to now they're not feeling well, but I said yesterday, I told myself I have to start my journey. So I started, but today I'm not going to the gym because of my elder daughter. She's not here. She went to school, which is when she's home. Saturday I stayed at home when I will be at the gym. So I just get off from work. I said okay, she went to school, and I said okay, let me come exercise home. So this is my dumbbell here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome. This is my first time. I have been waiting for get this product, and finally I contact my husband. I tell him, I say, you have a friend who live in China, and he always made for you a luxurious shoes, luxurious glasses. So I told my husband, I said, I want a purse. And guys, let me show you the purse before I will talk too much. So this is the purse. It came yesterday, but my husband's name was on it, so he take the bag on it. So at that time I was at work. I was preparing to go to work when I saw this package outside. Fides bring this package, but I told my son to pick it up because I was rushing to go to work. So when my husband came, because of his name was the one on the package, so he take the plastic off. So by the time he realized that, oh, this is my package, because he is the one who bought it for me. So I have the package here. Ta-da! Guys, guess what I bought? Guess what I bought? See the name. I bought a bag. This bag, I saw it and I told my husband I want it. Guys, look at the purse. This one was so long for me to get this purse. So finally, I get the purse. Look at the purse, guys. I'm so excited. So I don't like big bag. I like small bag. So this is the purse, guys. Ta-da! So this is the purse I get. I saw this purse. I say I want it. So the help of my husband, he have friend who always buy for him luxurious stuff in China. So he contacts him to tell him that if he send the picture of this bag to him, if he can make this bag. And he told him yes, he can make it. So I give the money to my husband, and this is the bag. So let me open it so that you guys can see. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, see the inside of this bag. It's not too big. Jesus, I love it. I like it. Doo-doo. Look at the name of the bag, guys. Look at the name. Let me bring it closer to now. So this is my purse I get. I told them that I don't want too much, so I have the padlock here and the key, and I have the hand rope, and he even give me glasses, guys. He even give me glasses. Which glasses is this? Ray-Ban glasses. You know, all those stuff, they made it from China.
And it take like 1 week before I get it. So he told me if I want glasses free, and he make it for me for free. So let me try my sunglasses. So guys, look at the sunglasses. So cute. So this is my. So I'm on my journey. I started this morning. I'm not started the exercise this morning. I have been away for 3 weeks, so I started yesterday, and this morning I said, okay, I already exercised. Let me make something and eat. So I bring egg and sausage, make onion, and put it in the fry pan and started fry it, so that I can able to eat something can make me healthy a little bit, because I really want to do this time for my birthday, because December is my birthday and I'm gonna be 40 years. I want to be snatched. I want to be snatched on my dress. I want to be snatched when I'm taking my photo. And I'm going to be 40 years. But this girl, she's going to be 40 years. But she's not going to be like a grandma. She's not going to be like a old woman. It's not going to be like that. I'm going to be taking care of my health. So I say, okay, let me make a egg and sausage, because I saw this recipe, egg and sausage and broccoli. So I steam my broccoli and I'm making my egg and my sausage. I'll put a little bit onion inside, as you guys know, and I put a little bit pepper on it. As a African girls, you know, we like spicy food. So, and when I finish, and make sure mix it, because I want the onion to be cooked. I don't just want the onion to be not cooked, no. And I put it in the bowl for myself, because I have to eat healthy. When you exercise, you have to eat. So I put the sausage, the egg, and broccoli at the side. I steam my broccoli with so I said, okay, let me go and sit down and eat something. Girl, when I was eating, hey, the food was warm, but I was eating it. And when I was eating it, hey, the food was so delicious. This breakfast was so delicious, was yummy, and I can not wait. Hey, and when I was eating my food, drinking water like nobody business, because the food, it was good. Broccoli was sweet, and you can see everywhere I was eating it. Oh my God, my whole body was shaking on me. My mouth was shaking like a baku. Oh my goodness. And I started calling Saleh. Saleh, bring water for me. Saleh, bring water for me. Let me drink water, please. Saleh, bring water for me. I want to drink water. And Saleh, boom. Saleh, bring the water. And the girl, she didn't fear me. When she bring the water, she take my broccoli. She said she want to eat it. And I know that she cannot eat that broccoli. She started putting it in my mouth. I said, no, put it back. And I opened the water, drink it, and take my broccoli, started eating it. So I show you guys the container. I said, you guys see, I'm almost finished. This food. See my empty bowl. I'm almost finished. So the balanced one, I was still eating it, and I want to make sure I finish everything in that bowl before I will drink my water. Hey, when I take my bottled water, put it down, oh my God, everything go down and my food digests inside my body. I'll show you guys.